Hi guys, I got big news. So you know how my Gadget Club Oxy vanished for a long time because I used Gadget Life 2 more? But now, here comes the big news. I downloaded back again, and now, you know what my Gadget Life 2 looks like? And here's my Gadget Club 1. Doesn't it look cute? Okay, enjoy the video now.
There might be a special surprise in there for you.
Ooh, you got me a present?
Maybe.
Let me see.
No.
Come on.
You have to wait until Yay Day.
What's Yay Day?
It's a new holiday I made up. Oh, no, think about it, really. What's the best part of Christmas?
Pie.
Bruh.
Presents.
I like pie.
What's the best part of your birthday?
Cake.
Bruh.
Presents.
Okay.
So I got to thinking,
Which never goes well.
since everybody loves
Cake.
why not create a holiday that's just about
Cake. Yay Day.
exactly? Because what do people say when they get presents? No.
Mazel tov.
People say,
But I got you guys some awesome presents for tomorrow. Oh, Nona, you're here.
what'd you get me? What'd you buy me? Can you give me a hint?
I'm not telling you what I got you.
Come on, can I eat it? Can I wear it? Is it purple?
You'll find out tomorrow on Yay Day.
Come on, just one hint. Does it start with a letter?
Yes.
Which letter? A, R, W, 7?
Cat. You promised no snooping.
I'm not snooping. I'm simply asking some
Asking
questions.
me a ton of questions is a form of...
Okay. To Cat from Sam. That's so clever. Mouthwash? Sam bought me mouthwash for Yay Day? For people with terrible smelling breath.
Bruh.